Welcome! In this video, we will talk about plants and fungi.
Hello, I am Jeronimo.
And I am Roberto.
Let's get started. Plants are photosynthetic, multicellular organisms that show alternation of generations. Unlike their green algae relatives, plants have multicellular, dependent embryos.
Photosynthetic protists, probably aquatic green algae, gave rise to the first plants.
Mother plants evolved so that they could be able to live on terrestrial environments. They have root-like structures, a waxy cuticle, pores called stomata, conducting cells for nutrients, and a stiffening substance called lining, which is for structure.
Their reproductive system includes a male gametophyte, which is pollen, seeds that nourish, protect, and disperse embryos, flowers that attract animals to carry pollen, and fruits which have the same purpose.
There are two major groups of plants, the vascular plants and non-vascular plants. The vascular plants are the ones that are able to live in drier habitats, while the non-vascular require a moist environment to reproduce.
Vascular plants are bigger, have lignin which helps support the body, have seeds and pollen, and flowers and fruits. They include club mosses, ferns and horsetails, gymnosperms and angiosperms.
Non-vascular plants are small. Their sperm needs water to move, and they do not grow a lot. They include liverworts, hornworts, and mosses. Now we'll proceed to talk about fungi.
Fungal bodies generally consist of filamentous hyphae, which are either multicellular or multinucleated, and they create a body called mycelia. Their nuclei are generally haploid. Chitin surrounds the fungal cells, and they feed by secreting digestive enzymes outside their bodies and absorbing the nutrients.
Fungal reproduction is varied. Asexual and sexual reproduction can occur. Both asexual and sexual will produce mycelia through mitosis.
Their major taxonomic groups are Chytridiomycota, Neocalymastigomycota, Blastocladiomycota, Glomeromycota, Basidiomycota, and Ascomycota.
An example of how those fungi interact with other species is a lichen, which is a symbiotic association between a fungus and algae. The fungus provides shelter for the algae, and the other organism converts sunlight to energy, rich molecules that nourish the fungus.
I conclude that these two types of organisms are somewhat similar, but they differ in some things, such as the way in which they feed. Plants make their own food, while fungi kind of eat other things.
My conclusion is that these organisms are very important because both perform important jobs. For example, fungi are often called the garbage gatherers because they clean the remains of other organisms.
I think that plants are more important because they are the ones that give us the oxygen for us to live.